Hey everyone, so I'm gonna do blue today. So my friend is the one who bought me this. This is Princess Morebucks. So that's what I put as a base color. So I'm gonna go in with this pretty blue right here. I decided I'm gonna go with the new Hocus Pocus palette, and I'm gonna use like contrasting. I'm gonna go with this color right here. It's a very warm toned brown. Brown, very pigmented. And I'm gonna go back in with that for the highlight color. Oops, sorry. And I think I'm gonna go in with this for the inner corner. It's just glitter. Oh, it does seem to have some color other than just glitter in there. It's gonna blend in that brown a little better. Then I'm gonna go into this color right here, it's glitter, and put that on my lid. Wow, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. All right, let me finish my makeup, clean up, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I put the Princess Morebucks under on the bottom lashes. Put that same glitter that I put on the inner corners on top, and the inner lids I put in the inner corner too. And then I used the Ruby Kisses blush again. This time I used the orange and the highlighter that it came with. And All Natural Dulce Caramelo, or yes, Dulce Caramello. Dulce Caramello is my favorite nude color from Milani. And then I'm wearing the new Touch gloss on top. It's got a little shimmer to it. So yeah, that's it.